Veeam certainly saved the day here in the city of Birmingham. My name is Darryl Burroughs. I serve the city of Birmingham as the Chief Information Officer. I'm a son of Birmingham. I've lived and worked within 7 blocks of City Hall for the last 55 years. The city of Birmingham was founded in 1871. It was an iron ore steel mill type of city. 150 years later, we're known as the Magic City. We're called the Magic City because of the tremendous growth that we had in a short period of time. We're coming up on the 1-year anniversary of the network disruption that we experienced here in the city.
Breaking news after Birmingham's computer network was hacked.
We received a call from our Security Operations Center about 5:50 a.m. At about 7 a.m., my technical team on premises came on site to our co-location facility, which is a Tier 3 data center. When they reached there, we were unable to actually get access to any of our infrastructure. At that point, they immediately moved to disable access in or out of the infrastructure at the city of Birmingham. Upon investigation, working with third-party vendors to do forensics, we were able to determine that there had been a threat actor that had made entrance and that had removed some files and folders that were not authorized. All of our systems were down with the exception of a few of our cloud applications. We were able to continue to use our Microsoft Office suite and our email, but every on-premise application and all data that was on premises was locked. When this network disruption happened, we were confident from day one that we would be able to recover. We did not pay ransomware to any person. We were confident that our backups were immutable and that we would be able to restore our data. We completely restored the city back where it was. Veeam has been our tool for backup and recovery now for about 3 years. If we had not had Veeam, we would have been very similar to some other cities that literally had to start over. Business continuity planning has to be in place for your business units because they will have to use secondary protocols. You want to make sure that those are working properly. I can't reiterate enough that you should have existing contracts in place so that you can immediately start working with and doing business with the vendors that work with your cybersecurity insurance carrier to make sure that things move and you recover as quickly as possible. With all of those in place, including an immutable backup, those provided us with the confidence that we needed in order to recover and make sure the city of Birmingham could get back to being the Magic City. Working with Veeam has just been so simple and easy. As we went through the process with this, Veeam was right there with us. We felt like we had an extension of our employees off-site with Veeam as they helped us walk through and feel comfortable with the recovery effort that we had here in the city. I love saying this. We didn't lose 1 digit from a number or 1 alphabet from a word. We were able to fully recover. There's no stronger testimonial than that.